Hi guys, so winters are in and I know all will be like be troubled up with the dry skin, so don't worry about that. I have a solution for you girls. Yes, if you are tired of dry skin in winters, then I have a lotion which will definitely make your skin flawlessly soft and supple, and you will be happy throughout this whole winter. So yeah, if you want to know what I have and how I'm going to make that lotion, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first thing which you are going to need is a bowl like so, and a spoon. This is a disposable spoon which I'm using right now. And apart from that, you will be needing two important ingredients, and which is this Moisture-X. This is that this Moisture-X. This Moisture-X you will get easily in any medical store. You will get this Moisture-X. This is the key ingredient in this. I'm not going to use any shea butter or cocoa butter or all that sort of things. I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to use this, which is this Moisture-X. It is having this glycol and all that stuff. So 270, and it is of some 271 rupees. So yeah, this Moisture-X is important thing in this. And apart from that, I'll be needing this papaya gel, and I'm using this papaya gel from BioCare. You can use any brand papaya gel. So papaya gel basically will remove your tan, and so that's why this is good. In winters also you get tan because sun is like always in, so you can't get rid of sun. So yeah, that is the thing. And apart from that, I'll be needing this lotion, what is this, vitamin E, A and B5 BioCare EAB5 BioCare lotion. This is intensive moisturizing cream. You can use any moisturizing cream which is having vitamin E, vitamin A and all that good sort of vitamins in that. So you can use any kind of moisturizing which is little thick, and as well as which will make your skin supple and smooth. So this is the cream. Then I'll be needing this aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel. So I'm using this time is Ardo aloe vera gel. And apart from that, I'll be needing one SPF cream. I'm using this Body Care with matte finish SPF 45 cream. You can use Lotus matte sunblock cream, or any this sunscreen. Basically I bought so many sunscreens in the past, and I ended up using only my Lotus sunscreen gel because I love it. So I have so many, so I thought of using in this form. This is the very good way to use your leftover creams if you're not interested, but you have put in so much of money into that and you don't feel like throwing it. So this is the best thing. You can mix up everything and use it as a lotion. This way you can finish up your lotion as well as you won't waste it, right? So this is the Body Care this, what do we say, Body Care sunscreen matte lotion. Apart from that, I'm using this Johnson's Baby Milk lotion, and I'm to give a little bit of fragrance to it. I'm using this Amare Seduction body butter from Avon. This is one of my favorite. And you will be needing one more thing, that is vitamin E capsules. And apart from that, I'll be needing one more thing, is like you can use any lotion. I'm using Zavers lotion. It was this much. I bought a can of that Zavers lotion, and I stored in this thing, so for daily use. So yeah, you can use Zavers lotion, you can use Parachute, you can use Pond's body lotion, you can use a Vaseline body lotion, you can use that pump size one comes now, that big one. You can use any kind of lotions. So, and yeah, one more thing you will be needing is at the end to store is like these containers. I bought many containers. You can get in any local store these containers, and because at the end you will be needing to store something, so you can store in these containers and use it daily. Let's jump into the video and see how to make all these things. So first thing, I'm going to take this bowl and I'm going to add all the ingredients in this. So first thing I'm going to take is this lotion, which is this BioCare papaya lotion. Inside this I'll be needing spoons like I've already used, because I've made this lotion so many times. So yeah, I will be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of this aloe vera gel into this, because I want to use it at least for 1 to 2 months. So this is the aloe vera gel inside this. So for this I'm going to take this aloe vera gel and I'll just eyeball it. I'm not going to measure or something like that. I'm just going to add this into this like so. After this I'm going to take this BioCare Vitamin E A moisturizer, like 2 to 3 so, this way, and I'll just mix it properly. This will make my skin immensely soft and smooth. So yeah, and I'm going to use this body care sunscreen lotion thing, just adding it, Johnson's baby milk lotion, and pour into this mixture. Then I'll be going to pour this vitamin E capsules in this. I'm just pouring somewhat too, and I'm just going to use 2 to 3 capsules. After that I'm using this lotion, which is that Zavers lotion. You can use any lotion, and I'm just going to pour into this mixture. I'm going to pour this Moisture X into this lotion. Again, I'm not taking any measurements or something. I'm just eyeballing it. This thing makes your skin amazingly soft and beautiful. Moisture X for some flavor and some fragrance. I'm going to add this Amari Seduction to this. Adding this 1 tablespoon of that Amari Seduction into this. Now done with all the ingredients. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix out everything properly and make it in a smooth paste. Okay, so I have my all the this mixture ready. This is all ready. So I'm going to store it in the container which I'm already having. I bought this black color. I'll show it. I'll just pour everything into this. Just going to put the lid back to it this way. Ta-da! Your body lotion is almost ready. So I'll show you the demo right now. Just I'll pump it off in my hand like so. I have the lotion in my hand right now, and I'll just apply it and show it to you how soft and creamy it is. It glides off onto your skin very easily. Here I have no lotion, here I have lotion, so you can see the difference. It's more shiny. My skin is more supple, soft, smooth, nice. So yeah, this will actually make your skin very smooth and soft. So it's good to, you can keep this near your bedside, next to your bed, and into your bathrooms, on your dressers, anywhere you can keep this and use this lotion, and this will be definitely a very helpful thing during winters for you guys. So yeah, please note one thing. It's not necessary to use all the lotions which I have used in this video. I've used baby lotions and all that stuff because I was having these lotions. Just remember one thing: to make this lotion, you will be needing three main ingredients. One is the Moisture X, which is really very important, as I told you. Without this Moisture X, your lotion won't be very soft and supple. So you will be needing this Moisture X, and apart from that, you will be needing papaya gel and the aloe vera gel. These 3 are the main ingredients. Rest you can use any lotions, any body butters, any cream to mix it up. So choices. So okay, if this video was helpful to you guys, just give a thumbs up, and if you make this lotion and if you really liked it, then just give then just let me know, comment, and do not Bah, bah, bah. And yes, do not forget to follow me on all the social media sites, which I will link it below. And of course, subscribe to my channel because it will mean a lot to me. And yeah, stay tuned for such more videos. And of course, do take care of yourself. Love you all. Mwah. Bye. Good luck.